KE.
This is Ellie and Whitley for week 4 of KES TV.
I hope everyone had a great week. What about you, Whitley?
I had a great stressful week for gymnastics.
I'm just stressed out hearing about gymnastics because I know nothing about it.
Now to clear our stress, let's move on to Easton for the weather.
Thank you, Whitley and Ellie. For Monday, a high of 69 and a low of 40. For Tuesday, a high of 75 and a low of 55. For Wednesday, a high of 82 and a low of 62. For Thursday, a high of 81 and a low of 55. For Friday, a high of 62 and a low of 47 with a 69% chance of rain. Saturday, a high of 59 and a low of 54. That's pretty cold. That is all for this week's weather. Back to you, anchors.
We'll now reach for our coziest blankets.
Now on to celebrating some big birthdays this October.
Thanks, schools. These upcoming birthdays are Aiden Rickle, Stephen Kedgery, Maxon Falcon, Anais Gray, Aya Gray, Kylie Oaks, and Coburn Snow. Hope you guys have the best birthdays ever. Don't forget to go to the library for a birthday book. Back to you, Eddie and Whitley.
Hope their birthdays are exciting like this month.
Going to Ryland for a whole lot of events at KE.
Thank you, Ellie and Whitley. Now moving on to upcoming events. This week, we will celebrate Red Ribbon Week. Cambria will give you all the details. Other events besides Red Ribbon Week is... The 19th is the first quarter incentive to the Fun Farm. That sounds really fun. The 20th is the book fair and grandparents breakfast. That sure makes me hungry. Now back to the anchors.
I know I'm excited for the Fun Farm trip coming up. Just behave and you can go. Now for a joke.
What is a Lego's favorite month?
I don't know, what is it?
Blocktober.
Now to Olivia to share about grandparents breakfast.
Thanks, Ellie Whitley. Hey, Connie Elementary. This is Olivia here about the book fair and grandparents breakfast. Grandparents breakfast is the 20th at 7 a.m. through 8:20. When you're done with your breakfast, you can go down to the book fair. The book fair is the 20th through the 27th. There's some new books there. If you like some scary books, there will be Pig, the graphic novel. If you like nonfiction, there will be some new nonfiction books there. Have a great week, and now back to Ellie and Whitley.
Thanks for sharing all about this yummy breakfast coming up.
Now to Elira to share about the classroom contest for decorating pumpkins.
Yes, Raylan did a great job explaining upcoming events. Now let me tell you more about some of them. Sir Assembly will be October 25th at 9:30 a.m. in the gym. It will be for K through 5-star awards and activities. There will be a lot of fun things to do and activities, including pumpkin relay, mummy wrap, and the pumpkin contest. Speaking of the pumpkin contest, teachers have had their pumpkins delivered, so get ready to decorate your pumpkins as a class and pick a book character to do together. Make sure to try your best because we will vote at the assembly. Stay tuned for more information from Aubrey about Fun Farm. Now back to you, Ellie and Whitley.
Thanks for telling about the pumpkins. I wonder who's going to win.
Sounds fun. Speaking of fun, let's move to Aubrey to talk about the Fun Farm trip.
Thanks, Ellie. I'm going to be talking about the first quarter incentive trip. The incentive will be on Thursday, October 19th from 9:30 to 12:30. For kids who have good behavior and good attendance, they can come to the Fun Farm field trip. The Fun Farm field trip is the activity for the incentive. We will have lunch at Fun Farm. People can enjoy feeding animals, petting them, and the corn pit, etc. Now back to Ellie and Whitley.
This sounds so fun. What do you think, Ellie?
I sure do like a fun trip, but it's better with classmates.
Let's go to Cambria to explain Red Ribbon Week.
Good morning, KE. Today we are going to be talking about Red Ribbon Week between October 16th and 20th. Wear that red. We will be bringing the annual drive for the Kearney Family Foundation. This organization assists Kearney families in need during the holiday season. This year we will be collecting toiletry items to include shampoo, conditioner, bar soap, deodorant, and toothpaste. On Tuesday, we are going to be wearing team gear. On Wednesday, wear comfy clothes and tennis shoes. On Thursday, there is a classroom competition. On Friday, wear your Bulldog gear. The classroom with the most donations, clothing, participation will be announced on Monday and will win a pizza party. Thank you, KE. Goodbye.
Thanks, Cambria, for sharing about Red Ribbon Week.
I hope 5th grade wins.
Now to Tucker to share about some fun clubs here at KE.
We'll be interviewing different kids from different clubs. What is your name?
Olivia,
Why did you join this club?
because I thought it sounded fun, and it pretty much was fun.
What is your favorite thing about sewing club?
The different projects
When do you guys meet?
on Tuesday morning and Thursday morning.
Okay. What is your name?
My name is Kaden.
What are you guys making in art club?
I made a mobile that was really cool
Why did you join this club?
because I like doing art, and art's my favorite subject.
When do you guys meet?
Tuesdays.
What is your favorite thing about art club?
We get to use our imaginations and make things.
Thank you for letting me interview you. Your name?
Lauren,
What club are you in?
art club.
What are you doing in that art club?
We're
Yeah.
making mobiles
When does your club meet?
on Mondays.
Thank you for coming.
Those clubs sound fun. I'm also involved in Climate Club and Podcasting Club.
Me too. Now to get to some humor for the day, let's head to Cambria, Adrian, and some kindergartners.
Good morning, KE. Welcome back to Asking Tiny Humans Tiny Questions with a Tiny Microphone.
What's your name?
Emmy?
And what character from a TV show would you be?
Owlette.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Zoe.
What would you do if you grew 40 feet tall?
Reach the monkey bars
Why?
because I will fall on my bottom.
Okay, thank you.
What's your name?
Melly?
What would you do if you had 4 arms?
I really relax, and when I'm done relaxing, I can cook with my granny.
Okay, thank you.
Good morning. What's your name?
Maddie.
Okay. What's your favorite character?
Mickey Mouse.
Thank you.
Was all with Asking Tiny Humans Tiny Questions with a Tiny Microphone. Back to you, Ellie and Whitley.
That was so funny.
This is Whitley.
And Ellie, signing off.